All right, so first we found the value of each expression mentally. And one of the things I shared with you was we have to look the same before we can do anything. We have to look the same before we can do anything. That means if I have a whole number, I need to create a fraction with my whole number. And so 3 represents the ones place. So in this situation, I know I can do it more than one way. Let's start with the first way. 3 times 1 equals 3. 1 times 2 equals 2. Now, you guys taught me last week that, hey, Miss Smith, the numerator should never be greater than the denominator. So in this situation, what could I do? I could put my denominator at the door, place my numerator inside, and I could divide, making this my divisor, my dividend, and I'm looking for a quotient. Now, if I'm not ready to do my multiplication facts without doing my x and y or just my x, then I can do that. I'm working with the number 2, 4. Should my number ever go greater than what's in the house? No. So then I'm going to circle this, and I know that 2 times 1 equals 2. That means I'm going to have a remainder. I know that this is my denominator. I know that this comes down in the house as my numerator, and I have a quotient of 1, so my answer is 1.5. Or I know that I'm supposed to have 3 halves. I cannot get a half without a whole. So I'm going to get 2 wholes and create 3 halves. That's 1 half. That's 2 halves. That's 3 halves. This equals 1 whole because it is all filled in. Okay? Meaning it's 2 over 2, which equals 1. And this is a half. So therefore, there are 2 ways to get my answer. Yes? Yes, good answer. All right, now we will go to the next one. We can do the exact same process. 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. My denominator is at the door, okay? And my numerator is inside the house. So that means I have 2 divided into 6. 2 divided into 6, just in case I don't remember. I hope I do by now, but it's okay if I don't. 2, 4, 6. That means 2 times 3 equals 6. Gives me a remainder of 0. That means my quotient is 3. All right, my answer is 3. We getting it?
Yeah.
Are we getting it? All right, good. So I'm going to let you guys do the last 2. I'm going to give you the answer, and I need to come around and you show me how I got the answer. Okay? Got it? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
All right, so this one should equal 4.5. This one should equal 7.5. Tell me why.